Alright, so I've checked in. Right now it's about 12:30 to Sora Hotel. It was pouring rain earlier, but it cleared up. Here in my room, it was about 40,000 won per night. Not bad at all. I'm starving, so I'm trying to figure out where Igor and Juneum are. They came, I think, a day or two earlier. I just arrived today, and then Saman will be arriving in a couple of hours as well. Today, we're gonna have a chill day, and then sleep early, and then tomorrow at 5 a.m. we go from Hanoi to Khe Beach. Hey, Sleeping Beauty?
Actually, no, I drank way more on Saturday.
Really?
I just didn't sleep since Friday, probably.
First time in Vietnam, he's like so new for him. He's so cute. He's like every time we like ride motorbike, he's like, oh my god, this is 미친 나라. How do they live here and ride like this? 근데 Vietnam 좋대.
Yeah. Right now we're gonna go eat banh mi. But I chose a place that's like run by like a family for more than 20 years. Excited. The banh mi was not enough, so we came to get some pho. This place is famous for chicken pho. Getting a massage at this place. So we just finished our massage. How was the massage, guys?
It's really good. I love male massages. They are better.
We're checking out this church while we go for dinner now. Pizza 4 piece. We have a 5-minute wait time, so playing some Find the Difference. Found one. Anyways, this is the pizza spot. Starting off with a kale salad.
Mozzarella, cheese sushi, some cider.
Crab pasta. Look who finally made it. Bigger coconut. Biggest coconut.
Just like a fucking coconut. 여기는 확실히 추억이야. 여기는 약간 나 동네에 나 놀러 와가지고 이제 친구들 보러. 가이드 느낌이구나. 가이드.
Mashed potato and cheese. Truffle burrata pie. Hey, no, open it up. Open it up.
Open it up.
Oh shit! Do you see that?
It's a pie.
Ooh. Damn.
No? First pizza. Basil. Alright, good morning, boys. It's a lovely Tuesday, 5:20 a.m. Okay, we made it on the car. It's actually so dark. I can't see anything.
This green field reminds me of
We are at the ferry. Yeah, ferry ticket gate. So we're gonna buy a ticket over there, then go over there, wait for the ferry, and get on. Then go to a smaller island.
Ferry these balls.
Ferry these balls.
Ferry these balls.
The weather actually cleared up, thankfully. These are the tickets. The village is coming up over the Yar.
Yar.
Yar. Alright, so we're at the restaurant next to the Kappa Adventures. This took 39 fucking minutes to come out. Let's see how good it is. Okay, after that shitty breakfast, we are finally off with our waters. Thank you. So I used Kappa Adventures 2 years ago, and we're here back with this place. Okay. It's a video for our vlog. Yeah.
So later, Tony other guys with the drone.
Okay.
He will join us. So I'm here to make sure that you go safe and come back safe.
Lovely. Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay?
We're now moving to the smaller boats. And this is where you go on it. Our guide already got tickets. The water is apparently a little colder due to the rain last night, and it's low tide this morning.
Yeah.
Don't throw it away.
Don't throw it away. Good morning, Vietnam!
미끄러워, 미끄러워. Fish farm. About 200 people live here. Apparently that's gonna be our first rock right there for today. That's our first route right there. Climb from there up to there. 4A.
So should I go up and then go that way, or just go?
For sure.
There's a jug party right here.
Jug party. Alright.
So now we go back to Vietnam.
Bye, we're leaving.
Right here, we will.
Daniel, when you jump right side. There's 5 jellyfishes under you.
Woo! Nice. Jellyfish.
This one, start from here, and you go in this crack. Hand in the crack. There. Let's go here. Go in here. 10 meters.
7A. Nice! Move! Come on! Wow! Come on, Igor! Come on! Nice! Yes! Yes!
Challenge!
Up!
This one!
Come on, Igor! Come on!
Whoa!
Breathe! Nice! Nice! That's it! Just for perspective, it starts there, then climbs all the way up there.
와 졸라 멀어.
아니 이렇게는.
야 이거 말도 안 돼.
아니 이렇게.
We will have lunch now, take a break before going to climbing again. This is our lunch, looks amazing. Thank you for preparing the food.
Hello. Have fun.
Thank you for the food. We are now at a different rock called Three Brothers, and we're climbing this first route here.
Hey brother.
We are now back to the main island after a beautiful day of climbing. It's still really hot. Take a car back. We're here for dinner. What are we getting?
I have no idea.
Thai lam. Pho.
Beef based garlic roll. I think so. God, wow. That shit is good. 야, 우리 하루만 먹어. 매일 먹어. Okay. You guys have it.
Oh, yeah. It's 4 a.m. We are now at the airport to go to Da Nang. There's actually a lot of people at 4 a.m. Breakfast pho.
It's fucking moving, bro. Like flavors, like.
Just an advice. Always use Grab. All the taxis at the airport are scam. They charge you about 1.5 to double. 이미 한잔 했어? 다당. 아침 10시입니다 지금. 아침 10시 맥주. 음식이 나왔습니다. 주넴이라 있고 바다가 보입니다. Took a massage, took a break, and we're back. What a fucking crowded beach. 땀bao. Seafood. He's about to order food. A lot of food. Hey,
I'm sorry about it.
hey, nice. Oh. We ordered too much food, so they're like combining the table. Got our mantis shrimp. This is frog. That's for this guy. Alright, morning glory.
Oh my God,
Got
morning
some shrimp.
glory.
So fried rice with beef. That's a fish. Oysters.
We got some bones.
Stir fried. The food is not ending. They just brought our crabs. They already took away like 6 plates.
That's a wrapper. You have to wrap everything there. So when I was first time in Vietnam, I fucking ate everything. He comes to me and like, what are you doing?
Yo, can you spread it?
Do you want to check? Okay, so 1 Rao Moha to morning glory, 2 me.
At S Climb.
It's all fucking gold text.
Juneum's last dinner. With Igor and Anna. Oh. What was this? Bansiu? Right? Bansiu?